Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So make sure the vehicle's on. And then you should be able to connect through your voice commands or through the buttons over here. So we'll use the buttons this time, so we'll click through menu until we get to system setup, and then device pairing. And then in here, we'll do pair, and then just make up a number that you won't forget. So I'll do 4 4s, I suppose, and then we'll pair. Now from your phone, make sure your Bluetooth's on, which this is, and then get to your pairing menu. Then we'll just wait till we see something that matches this vehicle pop up. Sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries of resetting your car or the phone. There's Uconnect, so we're going to do that. And then whatever number you just made up, you'll type that in here. So I did 4s. Okay. And then it said successfully paired up there. And then you can set if you want this phone to be the first priority or a different level. So we'll just do set. You can make up whatever name you want for your phone. You can sync up your phone books, messages, things like that, make it a little easier for taking calls. That's it. And then there's also a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first before you can add new phones. But once this is all set up, you should be able to take phone calls, things like that. Typically you can listen to music as well. Usually it'll have under the aux button next to it a Bluetooth option, so I'm not sure if this model will let you play music or not. I believe it will from here. So if there's devices right here, okay, so it looks like you can do Bluetooth music with this model. And then as you get to newer models, you may be able to sync up maps and things as well. And if you're having issues with it playing from your phone here, first I double check the volume's on your phone as well as on the vehicle. But otherwise I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.